Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this error on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we need to right click on the taskbar. Anywhere you can right click here, select task manager. On this window we need to click on run new task, then we have to click on browse button. Once we are here, just scroll down, select this PC and open C drive. In the C drive we need to open Windows folder, and then in the Windows folder find out System32 folder. So here it is, so double click on it to open it, and in the System32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe file. Just search it and select it and click on open. Now this will be our main path. After that, check this box to create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. So this is the main method. We need to execute the command gp update / force and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process, around 6 to 7 seconds. We need to wait for it, and once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. After that, just go to search bar and type in services. Click here to open it. This is the most important method. We need to find out the Windows update. Just scroll down, keep scrolling, and simply right click on Windows update, select properties, then we need to set startup type as automatic, click on apply, and then simply we need to click on start, select start and click on OK. Once done, close this window and execute the last method. That will be we need to open File Explorer. So press Windows key plus E key together to open File Explorer. Then we need to select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then open System32 folder. Okay, this time we have to open software distribution folder. So just search it in the Windows folder. So here it is, Windows folder, and we need to find out software distribution folder. Just double click on it to open it, then select all these files, right click on it and click on delete. We have to delete all these files from the software distribution folder, and this will take some time to complete the process. Check this, keep it, and once done, we need to close this folder and then restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.